Hello, I'm Tim Key with Surge Suppression Incorporated. Today I'd like to talk to you about custom surge protection solutions. Because not every surge-related problem can be mitigated with a standard product right off the shelf. In the spring of 2008, a longtime customer, a major amusement park in Central Florida, opened a new water park. About 3 months after the opening, a severe storm moved across Central Florida and right over the park. The lightning-induced surges associated with the storm caused serious damage to the water flow and dispatch control systems on 3 of the park's 5 slide groups. The morning after the storm, I visited the site and performed a walkthrough with 3 of the park's plant engineering staff. I obtained the basic information for the devices that would be needed, but I realized that most of the devices would require custom enclosures due to the environment, and some custom panels would need to be built to hold multiple devices. For that part, I recruited the services of our engineering department. We were asked to add protection to every vulnerable point in the systems to offer the best protection possible. Using Slide Group C as an example, I'll recap the devices we used and their locations. First, I'll start on the ground level. For the water flow control system, we built a custom surge protection panel. The panel was mounted close to the existing control panel and contained a 120-volt surge protective device for the incoming power and 24-volt multi-conductor devices for the 24-volt flow meter circuits leaving the panel. All these devices were DIN rail mounted. We then added 4 24-volt devices for the remote flow meters and 4 of the same devices for the magnetic heads. These devices were all installed as close as possible to each meter or magnetic head and were installed in a custom weatherproof enclosure. On the tower level for the dispatch system, we added another control panel. The panel contains a 120-volt device for the incoming power, 2 24-volt devices for the power going to the traffic lights, and a 24-volt multi-conductor device for the 24 volts going out to the sensor sets. Again, all these devices were DIN rail mounted. We then added devices for the protection of the remote traffic lights and additional 24-volt devices for the remote sensor sets. We provided similar devices and custom surge panels for the other 4 slide groups as well. In more than 3 years since the incident and since our custom surge protection system has been installed, I'm happy to report that there have been no lightning or surge related losses or downtime to any of the slide group's flow or dispatch control systems. If you have any surge protection needs, whether they're basic or require custom solutions, and you can't tolerate downtime or unhappy customers, please give us a call. For additional information, please visit Surge Suppression Incorporated's website at www.surgesuppression.com, contact your local SSI representative, or call 1-888-987-8877 today. At Surge Suppression Incorporated, surge protection is all we do, and we do it very well. I'm Tim Key, and thank you for your time.